you have this common problem on the Ford Explorer of the trim coming apart on this non-repairable piece, we took a 14 gauge IV and injected the JB Weld into the syringe, and now we're going to attempt to inject it into the piece of trim that is coming off. Injecting the fluid or the epoxy with an IV syringe worked pretty well. I'm using JB Weld clear that sets in 5 minutes and cures in 1 hour. This is a carpenter pencil. I'm going to leave it on after the 5 minutes. I'm going to leave it on the rest of the day. So the epoxy was pretty warm because it was in my hot car, so it flowed very easily. And we'll let you know how this works shortly. Okay, so here's the big reveal. Car's been sitting in the sun for a few hours. And again, it's supposed to set in 1 hour. Hopefully I didn't make too much of a mess on my trim. Obviously getting a hold of, IV stuff, if you're not in the medical profession, might be difficult. And here we are. It could look better. Got tape stuck to me. At least it won't whistle anymore, and maybe down the road I'll change it, but there you go.